is everyone's favorite game show host, Happy Harrison.
Hello, everybody! Welcome to Vowel Sound Trivia, the game show where the questions are short and the answers are long, as in long vowel sounds. Today it's all about the long vowel sound A. Now let's welcome today's contestants, Bert the Tortoise and Wilfred the Woodpecker. Oh, somebody's anxious to get started, so let's go! In this game, we're going to be playing with two letter combinations that often stand for the long A sound. They are AI and AY. Let's start with AI. I will show 4 pictures and say the words that go with them. Be the first to buzz in and tell me which one uses the letters AI for the long A vowel sound in the word, and you score a point. Here we go. Is it boat, train, bicycle, or car? Oh, gotta be quicker on the buzzer next time, Bert. Wilfred, what's your answer?
Train.
You are correct. The AI in train stands for the long A sound. Next is AY. Be the first to buzz in and tell me which of these words in the pictures uses the combination AY. Here we go. Is it cup, tray, spoon, or fork? Easy on the buzzer, little guy. So what's your answer?
Tray.
Exactamundo. The AY in tray stands for the long A sound. Okay, here's a tricky one. Pay close attention now. Tell me which of these words for the pictures uses either AI or AY to stand for the long A sound. Is it sail, hay, paint, or clay? Yes, Bert?
All 4 of those words, Happy.
Righty-o! The AI in sail and paint and the AY in hay and clay all stand for the long A sound. Hear that? That means we're out of time. Until next time, so long!